Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lane if you don't already know me, and today we're going to be doing the Allure beauty box subscription unboxing. As you can tell, it has not been opened yet. Everything's still in its packaging and I can't wait to see what's inside. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe, and without further ado, let's get into it. So this box is $15. When you first sign up you get it's $10 plus you also get a free bonus gift. And then the retail value is way above that. There's full-size products. So to start off, when you first open up the box, you get the little magazine that tells you about all the products, and there's sometimes coupon codes for each of the websites. And then there's a tissue paper, and it looks like they partnered with ANASTASIA this month. And then you just open the tissue paper and here are the products. So let's get into it. So first there is the First Aid Beauty Coconut Skin Smoothing Priming Moisturizer. Just looks like that. Full size for this is $28. The face moisturizer is good for all skin types, normal, dry, combination, oily, and it's good to help prevent dryness, redness, and help shrink your pores. It says apply evenly over a clean face. Fall with makeup or wear alone for a natural look. So it's probably very lightweight. Then next there's a Anastasia liquid lipstick, and this is in the color Bohemian, which is just a very pretty color. It looks like this, and this one looks full size. The full-size retail value for this one is $20. I'm just gonna swatch the lipstick. It's listed as a cedar brown. There's the lipstick. And then we have an Anastasia clear brow gel. This one's just a mini version. And this one full size is $22. She's got a mini clear brow gel. And then we have the BRIOGEO Farewell Frizz Blow Dry Protectant and Heat Protectant Cream, which just looks like this. And this retails for $24 full size. Now the Frizz is good for any hair types. It said fine, thin, straight, wavy, any type of hair that you could possibly have, it's good for, and it's good for preventing dryness, frizz, and it smooths hair and prevents from heat damage. It says to apply 1 to 2 quarter size amounts of damp hair evenly from root to tip and blow dry in style as you want. So that's good. Yeah. And then at the bottom it has a little pamphlet about the last item that's in here, which is the Anastasia Moonchild highlighting palette. This one is also full size. It looks like this. And this one is $40 retail or full value. I'm just going to do some quick swatches for you of the Moonchild palette. So these three right here are the top 1, 2, 3. And then this one, and there's one right here are the bottom 3 ones. The shade names are Blue Ice, which is this one, Star, which is this one, Purple Horseshoe, Pink Heart, Lucky Clover, and then this one down here. Let me swatch that one a little bit better. This one here is Blue Moon. So that's 3 full-size products in here. The palette, the lip gloss, and I believe this is full-size too as well. See, there's at least 3 full-size products today. And then you get this nice box, which you can use for storage of other things. And then sometimes in here there's like coupon codes where it says for the palette from Anastasia, it says if you use the code ABH times Allure, you'll get 25% off a single purchase. I hope you guys like this video or are interested and now purchasing the Allure beauty box. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!